Hi everyone, Nuts Finance team here. In the next few minutes, I will guide you through Pike Market, a modular, operatable, compound V2 inspired lending protocol deployed through factory contract. So in this video, I will trace the call path from deployment to core operations, review the Oracle design, and highlight multi-tier emergency controls. Okay, so for the protocol overview, users supply ERC20 tokens to receive interest-bearing pTokens. pTokens accrue interest and can be used as collateral to borrow other assets. Interest rates follow a double jump three slope model, which is driven by utilization, and underflow positions can be liquidated for a discount, which is set in the risk engine. So next is topology. So here is the high level diagram. We have this factory contract right here. It has a function deploy protocol, which instantiates risk engine, time lock, Oracle engine, router proxy, which basically means a whole new lending market instance is being deployed, and then it registers the protocol. Also, factory has deploy market, which can add additional pToken proxies under the specific protocol ID. So users are interacting only with pTokens, and time lock here, time delays configuration changes to risk and Oracle engines. So you can check this dashed arrows, which show the configuration path. Runtime flow, you can see those solid arrows to trace runtime calls. Basically, pTokens ask risk engine for limits and Oracle engine for prices. Risk engine also fetches prices straight from Oracle. Okay, so for pToken module, it basically implements the core actions, all the verbs like deposit, mint, borrow, repay, withdraw, redeem, liquidate, borrow, and all that. And here, interest accrual follows the double jump rate model on the diagram. You can see it right here. So it has basically this encourage, normal, discourage ranges. Reserves are split between the owner and configurator shares, and withdrawal use the reduce reserve owner configurator emergency. Liquidations in this regard follow basically close factor and liquidation incentive, with the protocol cease share routed to the protocol reserve. So next is the risk engine, which is a central registry for collateral factors, liquidation thresholds, close factors, liquidation incentives, supply borrow caps, global pause flags, things like this. And all the admin functions like configure market, support market, you can see are gated by governor through the time lock. At the same time, emergency guardian can instantly basically pause, mean, borrow, transfer, seize actions, and this calls bypass time lock entirely. Yeah. Next one is the Oracle engine. Oracle engine has the function set asset config, which assigns main and fallback Oracle providers. like Chainlink, Peace, or custom providers. These are shown as the yellow box right here. And lower upper bound checks defend against the Oracle drifts. So basically, price getters return USD scaled values in 36 minus like estimate in the specific precision for that. Yeah. The next one is the governance and roles. So you can see it right here. Governor here proposes basically via time lock and can execute after delay. The emergency executor has same access as the governor, but it can execute without any delays through the specific functions with the prefix emergency execute. There is also a protocol owner, which can upgrade beacons, can set reserve share splits, assign roles, and so on. Plus, we have emergency guardian, which is outside of time lock. This role can pause protocol actions without any delays. And all the governance emergency actions emit structured events like asset configuration set, risk configured, emergency executed for on-chain and on-chain monitoring tools to have a clear audit trail. Yeah, so as you can see, this is on Foundry. Overall, the diamond router proxy basically guarantees us the logic swap without the storage moves. pTokens as a whole share a beacon for mass upgrades, so faucets need no migration. And deployments and upgrades of Pike protocol are scripted with the Canon tool for reproducible builds. That's it.